Baji bombastic. Again, this is a question that came on the YouTube a few minutes back. Baji bombastic. If someone earns haram income, is their nikah valid? If they know about it or they don't know about it. If they know but earn due to helplessness. Baji bombastic has asked a question that if they earn something haram, is their nikah valid? Now these things that if the nikah is as per the Sharia, the nikah is valid. Your income has nothing to do with the nikah. I'll let you give an example. Suppose I rob water. Robbing water is haram. With that water which I have robbed, I do wudu. And I offer my salah. Is my salah valid? Of course my salah is valid, because for the salah to be valid, I have to do wudu. So if I did wudu with water, my salah is valid. But robbing is haram. Will my salah be accepted? Yes, salah is accepted, but the act of robbing, I'll get punishment for that. So similarly, if you have earned something haram, then you will get the punishment for that. You will get the sin for that. But that doesn't mean your nikah is haram. As long as you followed the usul and you followed the Sharia while doing the nikah. If all the principles of Sharia you followed while doing the nikah, you have given the mahr and you've seen to it that you have chosen the right partner, etc., your nikah is valid. It has nothing to do with your income. But of course, if you are doing something haram, you see to it that you stop the haram. You ask Allah for forgiveness, you repent to Allah, stop it, don't do it again, then you will have a happy, Islamically aligned married life. So if you are earning haram, and if you have done nikah, of course, you will continue earning that haram. So my advice to you would be, stop it. First you are alone, now you have your wife, and you are earning something haram. Even if you earn something less, no problem. Earning halal, lesser amount is better than earning haram, a bigger amount, because it will not benefit you in this world or the akhirah. Hope that's the question.